Yeah. I choose not to speak to niggas who are dead to me. You up, not to mix and mingle with the dirty. You a bop, Lelo knock, you ain't special, here's a mop. Cleaning up my image, I left home with Coco's touch. Dog, you know the fetch and tell us, so don't be so overzealous. I run IVP, I'm VIP upon my entrance. Private with my partner, private school with all the cadence. I want you to warn them what I'm cooking, straight up bussin'. Palms sweaty, knees weak, arms heavy, little spaghetti. There's vomit on his sweater already. To the beast ran, this ran, definitely pushing pounds of $1. I didn't need to make an up out of dollar. To the layman's praying man, cause better late was just the beginning. And Billy's was the start to your ending. To the girl that thought I wouldn't be the man that she'd fumble. Now I carry all my cash in a duffel. Hella toasty shedding crumbs like a bunny, my shit is rummy. To the girls that haven't tasted me, baby, my shit is yummy. I know you love me, but you still hate me, which is funny. But I'm never laughing when I'm addressing who gets to pin you. It's not an issue, terrorists to tears, don't need a tissue. I'm beneficial, they elder women being official. I know you thinking that damn it is he. Flow on Muhammad Ali, spit such a venom disease. Crumble when facing defeat. Calling on 80 for me is calling 160 to see what the real 32 can really do. I really hate what's become of the game. Niggas pick rap for the fame, cannot just study the grades. Cannot by paving the way, they just get carried away. They become woman obsessed, then become women themselves. Really sad, they just wanna TikTok and make a funny dance. I know they're praying, baby Jesus bringing back the raps. Yeah, better late than never. Billy's. Sure, I just